Hello nail friend, hope you are having an absolutely fantastic summer so far. Hopefully you're not melting away. Make sure to drink lots of water and maybe a smoothie or two. Now in this video I want to do something very summery inspired. We're gonna create something that is very trendy right now. You have seen it on Instagram, on Pinterest, you have seen it everywhere. It is the designer wrench, and we are going to create this with the Light Elegance Gel Polish Line P+. So what I'm doing right here is that I'm actually doing a really quick infill. These are the nails that I did in my previous video, so they have not grown out that much, which means that I am just cleaning up a little bit around the cuticle area, adding some tack, filling out with some more one step, and now I am going to shape that, and then we're gonna do the design on top of that. So if you didn't know, yes, you can put the Light Elegance P+ gel polish on top of the hard gels, which is pretty amazing. Here I'm coming in with a fantastic color. It's Nude with Attitude. It is one of the staple colors, should be in every nail tech's drawer. It is a fantastic nude that just have to be there. And I am going to use this as a base for all 5 fingers. Oh my god, look at that color. How beautiful is that? I'm such a sucker for having just like a one solid color on all 5 fingers, especially nude. Now, anyways, I am wiping that, taking off the tacky layer, going in with the buffer, and now under the shade Tree, taking some of that color, putting it onto a palette, and using the stripy brush to create a French. So we're painting a French on top of the nail. So yeah, you can do that. And now moving on to Delightful Day, another fantastic color. Putting that onto our little palette, and then we're gonna come in and do the next nail. So we're gonna do this with all 5 fingers, just choosing a new color for each finger. And the easiest way to create a French like this is to draw 2 kind of diagonal lines coming from the corners of the French and meeting at the top-ish, and then you just paint a horizontal line where you want the French to end, and then you perfect it from there. You can start with the horizontal line and then do the vertical or diagonal lines. Hopefully you get this. Well, just watch the video if you don't understand what I mean. If you haven't noticed already, I'm actually using pretty much almost, well, 4 of the colors from the spring collection, because I love that collection so much. I just love these soft pastels, or like, well, they're amazing. Just look at it. Oh. Anyways, coming in with my buffer again, because I feel like every time I want to paint something, I want to buff my surface first. Now, coming in with some black gel paint. Here you want to be a little bit careful, because you don't want to apply too much gel paint on top of the P+, but a little bit like this is totally fine. The reason why you shouldn't put too much gel paint on top of the P+ is that gel paint is a hard gel, and then P+ is a soft gel, so you want to try to keep it, you know, the softer gels at the top and then harder gels at the bottom. Anyways, coming in here and creating some petals. So using my swirly brush together with the white gel paint. So here I'm showing you actually 2 different ways to create well, actually 3 different ways to create a flower. So I'm gonna do a larger flower. So there you can see that I placed the brush with a little blob of gel and then drag it towards the center, and then I took my swirly and just kind of perfected that little petal, end of the petal. But here I am showing you also that you can just put some dots in there and then use your stripy brush and drag the petals towards the center as well. So basically just choose whatever technique you like the most. Right now here we are coming in with this super trend, the cloudy starry skies. Of course we need to have one of those. I actually love it so much so that I put it onto my thumb as well. So anyways, here we are creating some stars and that little lens flare thingy around it, and this pinky is going to get a little crazy, but I love it. So we're gonna put some smiley faces into the pinky. This is also something that is super trendy right now. Smiley faces, don't know why, but they're trendy. They're like everywhere. So just using my stripey brush to create those little details in the smiley face, and then coming in with the P+ top coat. And you should know by now that I love to have my nail art matte. So the easiest way to do this is just to apply your P+ top coat, take a buffer, buff it, and then you have a matte surface. So now you know how to create some nail art using the fantastic P+. I would love to see you recreate this. If you do, please tag me, Celina Ryden, or Elegance HQ on Instagram. These products are of course available at lightelegance.com, where you can also find your closest distributor. Also, don't forget that Light Elegance is a brand that is gluten-free, nine-free, cruelty-free, HEMA-free, and vegan. Now, get out there and enjoy this summer, my love, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!